Hey, it's my Farm25 back today with another video, and today is Silver Farm Day 3 Month 1 alongside yellow Lime Peck Meadows. Here we have the John Deere 3050, just staying there. Yes, the workers' cars. I think it's actually going to go on to the NC Linkus replacer. Anyway, the New Holland T61AC is on the kettle box, and we actually got 2 sheep and a ram to join the other ones over there who seem to be kind of scared. And Farmer Billy is feeding the chickens. A lot of stuff is in the shelves. Yeah. The John Deere A360RT is backing up the trailer. There is a giant torch lying there. Sorry, I forgot to take it out for the display. And the last time the LM 7.42 Telelander is New Holland, it was moving rocks and they didn't get it finished. It was just finishing off today. They're moving them to over there. There's 3 left. The Renault is still in the shells there. And the cows are ready to be fed. So the John Deere 6820 is getting a bale from the pit. And the plough is lying there. And over here, see, we do a lot of early slurry. Here, because we do a lot of early baling here. This will be our main contracting fields. And so the John Deere 7310R is on the Abbey tanker. And it's spreading slurry. So that's it for this video, guys. Kind of short, I suppose. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.